Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Quick look here at AVAX, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a few key factors on the back end and also identify areas of opportunity. If they're, is this worth taking along right now? Are we considering a short? What's the deal? What do we recommend? Well, a lot of times situations like these, you do want to exercise patience and wait for confirmation. I know that's a tough thing. It's kind of like a four-letter word for most people, but I can tell you it pays off. And this is what patience does, it looks like, right? So take a look at this here. These are our recent profits. Chainlink, 31% in 15 hours. ENJ, 214% in 5 months. Bit of a variance there, right? But again, patience pays off. You get paid out if you wait. XRP, 11 days, 57%. ICP, 1 day, 20%. And Litecoin, 1 month ago, we took a trade up 85%. Okay, so again, these are all reasons why patience is key. These are also 5, 6, 7x leverage trades. We're not getting crazy with leverage. Okay, so if you want a conservative approach, recommend checking out cryptocash.tech. More information there, or feel free to message me if you have any questions. So here's another reason why I feel like this coin should increase. Mainly, we have a ton of liquidation at $44 to $45. Not like that's like the only reason to take a trade. Trust me, it's a small little caveat, but it is icing on the cake letting us know that these shorts are likely to get demolished. Okay. Again, you want to be careful shorting the market right now. A lot of folks are getting heavy on it, and it's a bullish market, folks. There's no other way around it. Is it a bull market? Mostly, not 100%. But if you look at the charts here, you can kind of see that Bitcoin dominance is down, majority of coins are up, right? Alts are taking that profit from Bitcoin and putting it in and essentially increasing in price. That cycle will change. Obviously, it goes through different phases, but for lack of better terms, we've got a ton of liquidation just above the price action here. So $43 to $44 would be the target, which isn't too far away, honestly. It's maybe just, what is that? It's 3 to 4% away. Nothing crazy. All right, so taking a look here at the daily time frame. What do we do here first? We look at larger time frames to understand overall trends. We're above all moving averages. We have the amount of volume. If we zoom out a little bit here, heaviest concentration of volume was it 36? Well, the most is honestly down about 21, but if we exclude that previous time frame, we get a better perspective here, seeing what the most recent volume profile is. And we have the most amount of volume at 36 and the second most at 39.50, okay? So we can kind of summarize that those are two key level supports, right? So again, volume speaks very loud. You need to pay attention to it, and that's letting us know that we're in good shape. What's also good shape here is the increased amount of volume we're seeing now than relative recent past. If we take a look at that, that tells us here the money flow index, this green line being above the RSI, it's a very positive sign. That implies the price should continue further up from here. Stochastic still swinging upwards. It can swing down here soon. Keep that in mind. But once more, we are a few days of continuation into this. We're about 6 days in. I still think we have at least one more liquidity sweep at 44.50 or higher. It would make sense. Again, that's just the daily time frame. Do we take a trade solely on the daily time frame? We do not. However, we have broken free from this descending trend here that essentially has broken the upside. Will that continue? I guess the question here remains, is this a cup and handle? And if so, are we going to break that 43.50 mark? Well, let's see if the 4-hour time frame tells us the same. We got stochastics trying to swing up. That's a very good sign, being very low with RSI above 50. I like to see that. Same thing with money flow index averaging itself out really close to that. We've got the MACD still diverging. So this isn't phenomenal, but it's losing momentum. Okay, lets us know a shift in momentum could be occurring. Furthermore, we take a look at our simple moving averages here. We're holding above the 20-day SMA. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a trend line out here, just so we can kind of pay closer attention to that and see if we stay above, we should be in good shape. We break below, we may want to revisit and consider a new game plan. Okay, so again, AVAX looking prime for the picking, but this is not a perfect situation by any stretch. Okay, again, mostly good, but not phenomenal. Again, that's just me personally. I'm more of a swing trader. I like to take confirmation, and we don't have full-on confirmation just yet. And that also reaffirms itself here with the hourly Ichimoku cloud. While we are clear, we're soon intersecting the price action here. So the window of opportunity is closing, and we got a conversion line above the baseline. We're still averaging ourselves out above the cloud. This is a positive sign. But again, it's not like a definitive price is going to break out from here. Okay. Now, again, you could draw a lot of different patterns in the chart. Trust me, that can still work, but I do see folks using really small time frames for patterns. And it's not that that's bad. That's good for quicker trades. But if you're going to be doing that for a swing trade, it may not be appropriate. Again, just throwing it out there. It's not an exact science. But the truth is it still works, and we actually had some of our traders talk about this breakout here before it happened. So good job catching that leg up there. It's awesome. But to me personally right now, even though it seems very likely we're going to see that $44 to $45 range swept. I don't personally feel comfortable taking a swing trade with that until we get a little bit more confirmation, either A, above the cloud, or just in general, we can hold this level for a little bit longer. But again, we got a lot of open trades right now, and majority of them are in profit, having already taken most profits. So I'm not super concerned with adding too much to our plate. Again, if you have more than 10 trades open at any given time, folks, you're probably doing it wrong. Once more, it's different if you're trimming your position, but if you're just like arbitrarily jumping in and out, and you just got X, Y, and Z over here with no stop loss, don't do that. That's not the way it goes. Attend my trading university. See for yourself what it takes to be a better trader, a little more consistent. And again, learn as a fly on the wall from our phenomenal traders we have in our group here. We got some really, really awesome, committed traders that work very, very well with both Elliott Wave breakouts and, of course, some nice candlestick patterns too. So anyways, check that out in your own time. CryptoCash.tech is the site, link down below. Make sure, of course, you register for this trading competition. It's our first official with Bitunix. You do have to actually enter by using the link down below, even if you've used my link to register. But if you're considering registering with them, no KYC or VPN required in the US or Canada, highly recommend check them out. They are a phenomenal exchange. They're going to have some downtime tonight to upgrade their servers so we can have over 200 plus trading pairs available on the exchange. It's going to be cool. All right, folks, thanks again so much for watching. Hope you learned something today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Greatly appreciate that, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.